I'm just recording this. Important moment for all of us. We have put together this initiative, which is after my, in fact, I did make a mention in my note to all of you that I started my journey as an entrepreneur in the year 2012, late 2012. And I come from a very typical middle-class family background. My dad is a civil servant. I mean, he retired in last year. So no one had that background of, if I may say, entrepreneurship. So this will be my second venture. And when I say venture, obviously IPN is very close to my heart. IPN is something which I started 4.5 years ago, and whatever IPN is today is largely because of all of you. Dr. Sharma, good to see you.
Very good. Good evening. Congratulations and great going.
Thank you very much. Thank you. आपने समय निकाला. Thank you. Thank you very much.
We are there all the time.
So before I even jump into this, pardon me if I at all miss your name, because I am assuming there will be quite a lot of people. So if they are there and so very randomly I'm calling out these names. Miss Harvinder is there. I can see Miss Jayu Ganesh. Hi, good to see you. How are you? And obviously I have a little more advantage. I will be more, if I may say, favorable towards people who are on the video, obviously. Right? So Kavita is there. Kavita, good to see you. Jayu, Mrs. Millie, Neeraj sir is there. And I have always been saying that I would not like to call you by your phone number name, or your handset name, which is Redmi, or Samsung, or Apple. You have a lovely name. So, Dr. Mandal is there. Ramagiri. Okay, Ramagiri ji is also there. Good to see you. Parul is there. Dr. Sharma Saab is also there. Shabana ji has come. Madhusudana. Dr. Madhusudana. Good to see you. Thank you. Jyoti ji, Samantha. Sharma sir, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ, नमस्कार.
Very nice, good to see you, sir, after a long time. Dr. Jacqueline, is that the right pronunciation, Dr. Jacqueline?
Yes, that's right. It's right.
Very nice. Good to see you, ma'am. Thank you.
Good.
Obviously this is a product which has been brought together by a very extensive team of us. So I also have with me Frank Anthony. Frank Anthony is my CTO. So he's my technology officer. So whatever the product today I will show to you is largely his brainchild. His team has put together for us. So Frank, if you can say a quick hi, everyone will get to see you.
Hello, everyone.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi, Frank.
Namaste. Namaste. Good evening.
Hello.
And obviously, it goes without saying that there is a long list of team members. But then, as I said, this is about today's launch. This is about the product. So I'll take. In fact, which is why I'm waiting for other people to join in. Once they are there, I will quickly outline how I will run this through to you, which is largely, it will not take more than 30 odd minutes. Largely, I will keep that very, very crisp and precise. So I will request once you are coming in, if you can mute yourself only when you have to speak. That's a request. Once you have to speak, obviously I'll certainly give you a chance. So Manish is there. Good to see you, Manish. Manish is a dear friend of mine, and Manish is coming, I'm sure, from Arunachal Pradesh. So very nice. Okay, that's Shilpa. No, so Redmi was Shilpa. Miss Shilpa Manish is there. Okay, good to see you after a long time.
Same here. Great going, Gaurav. Great going.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I could see your face, but I was unable to recognize you, so I thought I should not take that gamble of calling you out by some other name.
That's fine, no problem.
So good. Thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Okay, I have another friend of mine here. This is Megha. She's not happy. So very good startup. By the way, I will get to introduce to you guys very, very soon. Today is about me. Today is not about these guys. So I would not like to hijack the discussion. But welcome. Good to see you, Megha. Anuji is also there. Anuji, welcome. Finally, you managed.
Thank you. No, there was some issue with my connection.
Okay. Very, very distinguished school leader. I think she's based out in Bangalore. Miss Anu, you are in Bangalore, right? If I'm right? Hmm?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yes. Good. Another 3 minutes and we will kickstart this right on time. I personally believe we should stick to the timeline.
चल यहाँ join कर बेटा. ये number.
Yeah, so leaders are joining in. I am a little more popular than 40, I would say. So hope the number should go up. But having said this, let me quickly give you the background which helps us understand this better. Why?
Hi,
in
Gaurav,
fact,
long time no see.
hello. Yes. Good to see you. How are you?
Nina here.
Yes.
Good, I'm good.
Kasganj?
How are you? Yeah.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. So Nina is now
a
in
lot. Your
Kasganj.
wishes.
Really, no, not at all. She is from my hometown, and she's now posted in. I'm happy we have some music as well. Not bad.
Yeah, that's it. I was surprised. What's that going on?
Pramod ji, namaskar.
Hi,
हाय गौरव जी, गुड इवनिंग, कैसे हैं?
बस मैं अच्छा हूँ. दुआ सलाम आपको.
Hi, Gaurav.
Good evening. Amisha, how are you?
क्या नाम है? पीछे
I am
जो है
good.
वो
Thank you
देगा।
so much.
Good to see you. Thank you for your time.
हाँ,
Thank
हाँ।
you for coming over.
ठीक।
संजीव जी,
Thank you.
शबाना जी. Lot of.
Hello, Gaurav ji.
कैसे हैं आप शबाना जी?
ठीक है, सब बढ़िया. आप बताइए.
I'm doing good.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Dr. Neeta Bali is also there. Dr. Bali, good to see you.
Yeah, now I'll have to do that, no?
Okay, when I come to the second window, there are a lot of familiar faces, by the way. Mrs. Sita Murthy is there. Good to have you. Thank you very much.
Hello, Gaurav.
How are you?
Doing good.
Thank you for your time.
And I'm talking about you doing good.
I am doing very well. I am in brink of
He is
everything.
ignoring. Exceptionally good, Gaurav. Excellent.
Thank you. Thank you,
No,
Raman ji. Thank you, Bali ma'am. Bali ma'am ने मेरी आवाज सुनी नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा
Good evening.
है. Good evening. Good to see you, ma'am.
Good
Thank you.
evening,
Thank you,
Gaurav.
Noon. Thank you, Nandini ji. Thank you, Rama. Thank you. Lot of thank you to be said today. Yes.
Good evening, sir. Pleasure. Happy evening.
Good evening, sir.
Hi,
Thank you.
Gaurav.
Hello.
Good evening to all of you.
Do you plan to offer virtual
Mr.
tea
Gaurav is making us tuned.
platform of yours?
Come again, please. Come again.
I'm saying, do you plan to offer virtual tea coffee also on this platform today? Because there was this thing in the group, Neha here.
Oh, yes, Neha.
Most welcome, ma'am. Most welcome.
Neha, good to see you, Neha. So, yes, I will have the tea and you can enjoy it, the flavor. Yeah.
I want
अंदर गाड़ी पे रख दीजिए. गाड़ी पे रख दीजिए.
No,
this
but-
virtual aroma from your tea, don't worry.
Surely. Thank you for coming, Neha. Thank you. Okay, so 5 p.m. So we should start this, and as promised, I will really be very, very precise and crisp in terms of on the timeline bit, largely, which is important. I think Roshan Gandhi is also there. Welcome, Roshan. Good to have you with us. Thank you. Yeah, so Roshan is settling down, I believe. So I'm just seeing a few of my guests are there. A lot of the people I have called in. Dr. Pandey is also there. Dr. Pandey, good to have you, sir.
Same here. Good afternoon, Gaurav.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your time.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Rashri is here. Rashri, welcome. So I'm just taking few names randomly. So please pardon me. And firstly, I'm starting with an apology that if I by any chance miss your name, please understand this. That wasn't really intentional, first of all. Okay. So I'm just randomly taking out names because while I see you on the screen or while I get to see you as I scroll down the window, I'm trying to take as many names as possible. But my sincere gratitude to each one of you. So what I'll do is, for the interest of, if I may say, a decorum, I'll just mute you all for a while so that I can say a little monologue of mine, if I may say. Okay, won't be a large a moment.
It's a claim that we orphanage. So help.
Okay. So I have just muted all of you for a while, and it won't be for long. Don't worry, for sure. So firstly, as I said, I can't thank you all enough. Thank you very much. I'm deeply indebted and possibly will remain indebted throughout my life, because for any entrepreneur, such moments are very, very important. I mean, as I said, I was sharing with all of you that for me, this product or this venture is like my baby. I'm going to nurture this as I go along, for that matter. I have 2 young daughters, but then this will become my 3rd child, if I may say, for that matter, right? So having said this, it is very important that when people take out time, and largely for the love for me, if I may say, I can take that liberty of saying that this is your love for me. So thank you very much. I think I'm blessed, which is why you guys are here with me. So with the bottom of my heart, if I may say, thank you on behalf of my entire team at Schoolbuy. Right now, I'm representing a different hat today. I'm not wearing an IPN hat. I'm wearing a Schoolbuy hat. So thank you very much. Now I will quickly dive into what I have really ensured that you guys are gathered here with me, because technically this is a first formal announcement I'm making for this venture of mine, which is actually a marketplace. I'll explain you what is typically a marketplace is as well, which we are created. In fact, we created during the COVID times largely. And obviously we all know COVID has presented to us challenges in a team number, for that matter. There are challenges, and every day we are getting a new challenge in these COVID times. So there can be 2 ways of looking at a challenge or a crisis, if I may say. One is we can crib and cry, or we can turn the tide and bring it in our favor, right? So what we did at our level was that we were getting a lot of these queries from the schools largely, and it is concerning all of us at the school level, that if you might have seen our association with Acer or for FinancePeer, largely they were actually the association driven by the need at the IPN level, for that matter, where I could see there's a definite challenge, or there's a definite opportunity which we can fill through an association with a larger corporate or an entity, for that matter. That from there, largely, the entire idea stemmed for us, that why not we give our schools, not just at IPN or across the country, starting point is IPN, obviously, because that's something which we closely work with you at, is that why don't we create a very democratic, open marketplace wherein the schools largely get to select the best people they want to work with. And when I say the best people want to work with, example, it can be a brand, or it can be an individual who has a wonderful service to offer to a school, for that matter. But largely, if I tell you what a typical young entrepreneur like myself, or for that matter, any other entrepreneur faces as a challenge is, they may have a great product, but they do not have the reach to reach out to the right set of people. I usually put it in this way, in a very simple fashion, that sometimes a good product dies an untimely death because it never sees the light of the right audience. So Schoolbuy will not just be an open platform for the schools, but it will be actually a bridge between schools and the people with right sort of offerings for the schools. We are, if I may say, we are trying to be part of that value chain, wherein by bringing in matrices, something like artificial intelligence, wherein we will be verifying these vendors not through only manual intervention, but through technology, so that these process of verification or you getting the right person is very, very authentic. So as I said, right, that this product is not just about creating one platform, it is a fairly intelligent platform, which will, in the long run, will set the right standards for creating a marketplace. So giving you a classic example, Amazon globally started with a book selling business. If you know Mr. Jeff Bezos, he was an avid reader, and he actually first opened up Amazon for people who wanted library to be at their doorstep. So he said, if you want to buy a book or you want to read a book, you come to Amazon. And I don't have to really say any further that Amazon is today one of the world's top 3 highly valued companies with respect to the sort of business they do. and sort of people they enable in a larger context. Okay, so we have named it School By. I will quickly show you the screen, how the platform looks like, more importantly, so that you get a pulse of it to start with. And obviously, today marking it as a soft launch for this product. So here we are. This is how the product looks like. This is in fact our platform. And www.schoolby.in largely is our URL, which I'm going to share with you on the chat window as well, and possibly on the email as well. But the important part is when we go, so example, as I said, we have tried capturing, right now we are in a stage of soft launching it today. So which means that we are actually in process of listing almost 500 to 1,000 vendors on this platform to start with. We have got a tremendous response so far from the community, which wants to reach out to the schooling community at the if I may say, in order to touch base with them, or they offer their services largely. So what it's typically like a Google for all of you. Whatever you wish to have, so example, hello, how may I help you today? Something which we are saying to you. And so typically example, if I say education ERP, you may like to enter your location or any specific location you wanted to search for. But if I just skip the location for now, and I say search now, you will reach a page which will explore now largely, which is example this way, you will get people who will get listed on your page largely. You will from there on have the liberty of, by the way, this is completely free of cost. They had no charges for this. For even a vendor, for a basic listing, we are not charging them a single penny, and obviously it will be for lifetime free for schools. So schools have to pay nothing for this. It's like a Google service. It's like a Google which you use. So while you search on Google, you're randomly searching a lot of heterogeneous stuff, more importantly. But on the platform of ours, you can get to search. And obviously, there are options of location search specific. We will also be, as I said, we are bringing in a lot of technology. And I will, in fact, after this, I will ask Frank, who is my CTO, to come over and take over, and will have you run through the technological aspect as well, that how we're trying to make this a fairly intelligent offering, not just a pure play vanilla product. It's a fairly strong backend with AI supported product, so that there is a lot of intelligence which will come through to you. I will, as I said, I will quickly stop share this window for a very simple reason, because that's something you can explore yourself as we go along. But the idea is it's a Google for schools largely. It's actually a Google for schools, however, with a very specific theme that only for services, products, or individual with services or knowledge services who wish to work with, engage with schools largely can come forward and take this as a service. So largely, when we go on Google, typically what it does for us is it gives us very heterogeneous results largely. Right? It can give us a lot of unfiltered data as well. This will be a verified platform, verified data, people who are authentic. So I have a fairly big team which will go through a process of shortlisting people who will be coming on it, their background check, their credibility in the market, all that put together will be on there. We will not just be bringing, however, just to make a quick mention, I personally have come from a very, if I may say, from a bottom-up approach largely. So we will not just make this an elite platform. I personally believe if there's an entrepreneur who is young, enthusiastic, and has an amazing product, it is a product for him as well. Why not? We should give him the opportunity, because he has the skill set, or he has the wherewithal to come and give you the right set of product. Obviously, the choices which you make is purely dependent on your choices. We do not at any level influence your choices for that matter. So you may go through your choices by rating of that vendor on the platform, or the sort of reviews you have got for the vendor for that matter. So I'm sure if I can go a step back and make you explain that how the Acer deal happened for us, it has really benefited a lot of schools in my own personal knowledge at IPN for that matter. I yesterday got a mail from Ms. Bhavna stating to me that, Gaurav, we've been able to place an order for 23 of their new staff, so the staff, they wanted to buy a laptop. Oh, thank you very much. So that was more of a thank you note to me on a personal note, but I'm just sharing that it makes our day that at any point in time, we have been able to be of value to IPN members or school fraternity at this time. So that is one piece of it largely. As I said, this is a platform I would obviously request all of you to start with. Once we are done with this, I will send you the URL of it. Please have a look at it largely. And I would love to not just get your feedback on it, I would love to also get a very, very honest feedback on it. That Gaurav, I think you could have had this on the platform largely, or etc., etc. Right? At the same time, I will also request from all of you that if you feel there's a vendor of credibility, there's a vendor of choice, or there's someone who would like to get benefited from this largely, I would request you to please recommend those people to join as a vendor or as a service provider on the platform, completely free of cost, as I said. For a vendor, it's a basic features, whatever we are doing for them is free. Obviously, there will be services which are layered up. For that, they have to pay, but at the lifetime level, it's completely free of cost at the current level, which I've showed you. Okay, so for members who have joined me right now, thank you very much for joining in. Thank you for your time. Obviously, as I said, I was sharing with you that after my 5-10 minutes of this monologue, I will open up the house for largely to get to get a little sense of what do you think of such a thing, firstly. So that will give me a little feedback that, okay, I was in the right direction. However, I should share with you beforehand that before even attempting this product, I did obviously reached out to a lot of school leaders personally and took their feedback as to, is this the worthy option to even go for or not? So we got a lot of positive feedback, though no, certainly this is needed in the current scenario, and hence we took up this jump and being here possibly, and we could bring this I think we worked it for, the development time was around 3 months since the COVID started. The ideation process started from, I think, around 6 months ago for that matter. But overall, it took us largely 6 months to put this together for all of you. Okay, so I will now quickly bring in Frank Anthony. Frank is the Chief Technology Officer for our product. So there's a fairly robust team with us largely. I also have Pankaj, I believe Pankaj is here. So Pankaj is part of the entire core team for that matter. But I would request Frank, if you can run us through what sort of a technology, because I'm sure you will not go into the very specifics of the technology, but just give us a layman view largely of how the technology is enabling us, so that tomorrow a student in our schools, if he or she is attempting as well to make up a product of their own, you can help them in making understand that if you have an idea, you need to go and chase it and make it for that matter, right? You have made it happen. So over to you, Frank. Frank, am I audible? You'll have to unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yes, I was waiting to get unmuted. So hello everyone, and once again, thank you so much for joining in. Like Gaurav has already mentioned, it's been an effort of 6 months and 15 plus developers that have been working round the clock and trying to put this together. The objective is very simple. We want to connect the right vendors to the schools. We've understood through various conversations that Gaurav has had with school owners and principals that the primary challenge is to find the right kind of vendors. Earlier in a normal environment, you would obviously have vendors coming, visiting you, showcasing their products, which cannot happen today. And there were certain needs that we identified, and that's how we came up with this entire brainchild of developing this product. I will not bore you to death with all the technology that we've used, right? But just for a brief information so that everyone knows, this entire platform is developed on state-of-the-art technology. We've used Node.js, which is the most advanced technology that we have today. All our global platforms, 20 to 24 of the top Fortune 500 companies work on this platform currently. So it's taken 6 months to get to where we are. And this is not where we want to stop, right? So like Gaurav said, this entire portal has a lot of artificial intelligence integration, which your feedback, your review mechanism will help us filter and grade out the vendors accordingly. So unlike Google, where you can pay a price and get listed on the top, or unlike with any other service providers, what we are doing is the listing of whom you see on the first page, whom you see on the 10th page, will depend completely on the user review mechanism and the heat mapping that we've done in the back end. So that's more or less about the product. We've got a lot of filters that should help identify the right kind of vendors. It will also tell you of vendors that are operational in these testing times. So when Gaurav was sharing the screen, or when you navigate through the page by yourself, you will see there's an open now section. So, you will not have any redundant activities of trying to get in touch with a vendor who is not providing services in these testing times. Another feature that we've added over there is, just in case if you're looking for a service, do not want to go through the entire laundry list of 500 odd vendors that we may have, the best thing that you can do is just fill up the form, right, in a given category, put in your details or the details of your admin staff, click on submit, and we will ensure that the vendors proactively reach out to you. The lead generation process for the vendors also, as of today, is absolutely free of cost, right? So it's more of an initiative, and Gaurav and I have been talking about what is it that we can do to try and help school owners, principals in these testing times. And we thought that this was the right product at the right time to ensure that we are able to solve any queries, any inhibitions you may have regarding finding the right vendor. So yes, that's the technology bit. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have once the forum opens up. So feel free to shoot questions and I'll be glad to answer.
Thank you. That was crisp and I think to the point, Frank. And as I mentioned, we have done our bit of talking, which is largely that I want to keep it very, very simple. That here's a platform which is for the school, came through the idea of servicing the school largely. And I would say that at the end of the day, we will try to scale this up to a level that tomorrow every school leader, whenever this uses, they have a wow experience around it for that matter. They should say that, okay, it came from a very wonderful team and it should eventually help you in simplifying your life, if I may say, at the school for that matter, right? So that's the very stated mission we have. I now, as I said, though I personally feel this is not really more of a Q&A, but I'll be more than happy, in fact, along with Frank, that if you have anything specific you want to ask us with respect to whatever pertaining to you, I'll be more than happy to take that up. And that's the way it is. And obviously, I'll act a little cheesy. I have just sent in a Facebook-like thing on your chat window. Please like the page so that it goes to the larger people. I usually feel very, very awkward when I say this, when I have to request people to send a like for anything. But then I'm doing it because I really, really feel it should reach maximum amount of people, and possibly through your network, it can reach as many people as it can. So please do like so I have just, in fact, on the chat window, I have posted that after the session, you'll be, I'll be glad if you can possibly go and like the page for that matter. I am opening, as I said, please, more than happy. I'm just unmuting yourself. You all, please have a shoot at the question if you have for me. Anything, I'll be more than happy to take up. Ashok sir, what do you think of it, sir? Will it make sense, sir? Does it make sense? What are your thoughts, sir? आपको unmute करना पड़ेगा, sir. You have to just unmute yourself.
Yeah. So I'm fine. Gaurav, my heartiest congratulations to you too, Frank. While I was listening to you, 2 or 3 thoughts were coming to my mind.
Please, sir.
That you have created a platform where people can come and meet and network and collaborate for products and services. Maybe one day you will have to create a special niche there where people can come and just sell their passion and ideas and thoughts.
What a brilliant idea. What a brilliant idea.
So that is one thing. And the second thing I want to tell you is that, I'm not a great, person knowing the intricacies of technology, but I'm pretty sure that this platform is a very robust platform. and you said you are using artificial intelligence to do the background check and to do the other checks and balances. That will certainly help the educators, in my opinion. The last thing that I want to tell you, Gaurav, anything which has a combination of three things, moral, innovation, and technology, I think that is the thing that takes people forward. And I see clearly a confluence of these three things: a moral leadership, an innovative leadership, and a technology leadership. And I can only see a bright future for this platform for you and your team. My heartiest congratulations and best wishes.
That is so kind of you, sir. That is so kind of you. Thank you very much, Ashok sir. And you stayed back and you came in on a request of mine. Thank you very much. Farhad ji.
Pleasure.
Thank you,
Such
sir.
a pleasure.
Thank you very much, sir. Farhad ji, आप कुछ बोल रही थी. You had a show of hand. बोलिए, please, ma'am.
Hello. Hello.
जी बोलिए फरहाद मैम बोलिए आप you were having a show of hand.
Good evening, Gaurav and everybody. Congratulations, Gaurav. Really, it's a very big platform which is coming up, and hoping to get more and more benefits. Not only the teachers, can the students also access it?
Currently, ma'am, no, for a very simple reason, because it's a B2B platform largely, and if they will usually go on the platform, as I think Dr. Pandey sir pointed out, we will actually create possibly not in this platform but a separate platform wherein an individual or a student who is passionate about thing or has a anything which he can offer, possibly that's a separate platform. Right now it is a more of a B2B platform, to be honest with you. So hence a student will not
suppose the teacher
teachers can
suppose
absolutely
the teacher gets stuck up somewhere and wants some help, needed some academic help, can also get that.
Anytime, absolutely. That's where it will help.
This is so great. Great work. All the best.
If Mrs. Burman or Mrs. Murthy is there by any chance, I would like to. I'm just randomly seeing people who are on my video who are available. So I'm just taking those names largely out. I would request if you all can be on video, nothing like it. Miss Jayo, you gave a very good feedback. I really like that as a feedback. If you're there, Miss Jayo from Chennai, Miss Varsha.
Project is there.
I will request all of you to come on window if you don't feel. Yes, that looks so better. Varsha Chauhan, ma'am, you have any thoughts around this? Vinay Joshi ji, yes.
Well, I just wanted to know what all product portfolio would be there. What all products are you planning to put it into?
Yeah, so sir, as far as from the tech side largely, so it's like a little blanket list to start with, for that matter, from a robotic to a VR to an AR, or for that matter, anything to do with, so broadly what we have divided is into two categories, which is knowledge services and a software piece largely. So one is knowledge services means someone who has a training module to share with you, even he has a space here largely. But at the same time, a company which has a software piece to offer to you, they also have the same place there. And at the same time, if there's a hardware company, which is a separate company altogether, which is something like an Acer, which we had brought in, pure play hardware business largely, they will also find a mention. So technically, everyone which has a service or a product component can be a part of this.
Okay. Gaurava, I have a concern. I just want to get a clarity. You said services. The content is also available on the site, or will it be something different? Like
no. So absolutely good question. In fact, so when I say services, I meant usually there's a productization largely of a product.
Everyone. Yeah.
Hold on. Yeah. So what I meant was largely, broadly, we have classified this into subcategories of sort of vendors who can really come on the platform. So example, just to give you an example, the broader classification is one is a hardware sort of a vendor who comes in, example, selling to you a device. May not be the content within that device, example, though these days a lot of bundling is also happening. But then giving you a classic example, our Acer association was a pure play hardware vendor association largely, okay? At the same time, we have classified the second part is into knowledge services. Now, a lot of vendors for that matter, or an individual, if I may say, are largely into giving services in a knowledge format. So knowledge, when I say knowledge, I mean to say they are trainers largely. So there are a lot of trainers, they are running their own sole proprietorship or possibly have a very big setup. So example, like an image consultant will fall under the knowledge services category, example. Like a grooming for a kid, personality development will fall under the knowledge services category. At the same time, the third piece for us is the software piece of it. So example, there's a company which only works on the software side of things. Say example, an assessment tool that comes on the software piece largely. Okay, and lastly, since you brought it up, I think it's a good question for all of us to get benefit out is a content piece. Now, some vendors only deal on content side. They make amazing content, but they don't have the device, they don't have the vehicle, or if I may say, they don't have the software to upload it somewhere. So they usually sell this content to people like, say, software companies, but they can now directly come and give the content to you as well, for that matter, through the platform. Yeah. So we are actually removing the intermediaries from there. So in a way, this is about changing the dynamics of the game. So instead of you having layer of people coming to you, you will get to deal with directly the entrepreneur for that matter, or a vendor for that matter. That's the idea. Yeah. I hope I've answered you. Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much.
Gaurav, what could I have gathered here?
Boliye, sir.
Hello.
Boliye.
Like me, suppose if I need a software solution, for our school,
correct,
then we can contact through this website and through this, portal, and we can get help from
Absolutely.
them.
Yes.
For that matter, suppose we need, some kind of ERP solution. Sometimes we need some kind of, software solutions, even also hardware solutions. So we can approach through this, portal, and we can get it done directly. The services will be provided to us.
Absolutely.
Correct, sir.
Exactly.
And more importantly, just to refine it further, Pramodji, that you will not just get one or two options. You will get options from across the country. It will be you then making a choice who top 3 you want to entertain or who you would like to go with for that matter. Right. So it is actually it is actually about not just limiting your appeal to limited set of vendors. It is actually saying that here's a plethora of options. You choose what you want best for yourself. Yes.
Perfectly all right. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
To take it to contribute to what Gaurav just shared, other than just the vendor search that you're getting, you will also have an option of looking at reviews posted by other school owners, principals, right, that you may know. So you will be able to further categorize and you will be able to further filter these vendors through search. So the reason why we've kept a location, and when you go on the website, you would see we also have a radius-wise allocation. So let's say if you are looking at a vendor and you want this vendor to be within 10 to 15 kilometers of your school, you have an option of doing that filter as well and checking that vendor.
Okay. Right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Frank. Thank you.
Thank you,
I have a question, please.
May I say something?
Please, ma'am.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Sorry, I'm not switching on the video. There's a connectivity issue.
No problem.
And congratulations to you, Gaurav. Great platform.
Thank you, ma'am.
And actually, it's very good for inclusive growth for the vendors and for the schools both. A win-win situation for everyone.
Precisely.
And I'm sure, we've just been told that we'll have the radius limitations plus the information, so that will help even in the services later on, because services are the ones which always take a back seat. So I would say everything has been thought about. Great initiative. Congratulations.
Thank you, Ms. Madhulika.
All the success.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm here, Gaurav.
Yep.
Congratulations to you. So
thank you.
The word that comes to my mind is one-stop shop.
Correct. Correct, correct. Absolutely.
Something like one-stop shop where you get to, sometimes, as I was listening to others, I went through the website already on my phone.
Correct.
So it's like, even if you don't know that such a service exists, when you see the website, you might get an idea that there are services available like this. Sometimes there is no need, but when you see a service, you feel, oh, why not I have this? So that's another advantage, because when you have it all in one website, it actually gives ideas that, maybe this service can add value to my ecosystem in school, or maybe this can, additionally empower or enrich whatever environment I've created in the school. So I think it's a great idea, Gaurav. I'm glad you have embarked upon it. Your voyage is always very interesting. I wish you the best always. I'm sure it's
So I should bring this to everyone's notice that it is just that it so happened, and when we were speaking about the IPN voyage, I did share with Mrs. Murthy as well that I'm planning to be taking up this another voyage, which is the school by voyage, if I may say. So which is why she's making a reference of the voyage here. But then obviously she did make a mention that this should be, obviously if you do it well, this should be a great platform. So I hope I am living up to that expectation. Hopefully
yes,
we will get along with
I like the website already, and there's so many services.
Gaurav, I have
clarified everything. I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Nina, you were saying something. Please go ahead.
Yeah, yes, Gaurav. As being a Gaurav to you, so I mean, I would like to. There had been some vendors who've been, coming up to me, and I really find those products too good. So how do I introduce them to you? I mean, as some of them I had already introduced. Some were range and width regarding
what we're going to do is, Nina, is actually we're going to create one tab on the platform itself, to be honest with you, because we really want to avoid, if I may say, manual interventions largely, because that's the way technology helps us. What we're going to do is we can actually will create something called recommend a vendor on the platform itself. So you can click on that and you can actually recommend a vendor to us, and then we'll take it forward with them, obviously through a verification.
Gaurav, what if I'm sorry, but can I share your number and you can go through this, as per your protocols, if you would like to add or not.
Surely. So you can, I'll give you my team's number and you can certainly share that with any one of them largely. Okay, sure.
Yeah, that was it, because I have many, don't avail, but I would like, since the products are good, so I would like my family, my other members to go.
No, thank you to you for thinking of us largely. Thank you very much. Yeah. राकेश जी कुछ बोलने वाले हैं मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. हाँ राजेश सर बताइए. त्रिलोक जी हैं क्या? त्रिलोक जी भी आ गए मेरे ख्याल से. Okay.
Yes, I'm right from the beginning. I'm there. आगे नहीं, I was there right from 5 o'clock.
Oh, thank you.
I'm there and I'm listening and I'm really enjoying it. And I think for me, nothing matters. What matters is Gaurav. What I'm saying is, what matters to me is Gaurav's name. If your name is attached to something, it has to be something really wonderful. And I wish Frank and you both the very best for this venture. And I'm sure it's going to be rocking, as whatever you do is rocking.
So I did not pay Trilokji to see this, number one, just to clarify all of
know the details. I don't know much of the details, but I was hearing it.
Miss Jayu, you were saying something. Yes, ma'am. I was wanting to ask you. In fact, you gave a very, very encouraging comment on this. Please go ahead.
Yes, I agree to Sita. It's a one-stop shop, especially these days, like we are requiring so many softwares, right? And we go searching pillar to post, taking so many suggestions and then seeing what best suits our school. So since you have already done a bit of a check and quality check everything, I think the part of the shortlisting has already been done by you. And so for us, it's just off the shelf.
Correct, ma'am.
Yes,
that's
again, when Gaurav and team is associated with something, we have no doubt.
Oh, thank you very much.
So it's become all the more easier for us. Congratulations, Gaurav and team. It's a wonderful initiative. And I think mutually we are all going to benefit out of this.
Thank you very kind words. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for having conceptualized such a thought.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Shabana ji, I can see you. Yeah, I'm only able to see people on the video. So if you're not on the video, so sorry. I may not end up calling your name as well. Mili ji, uske baad. Yes, नीरज जी भी दिखे मुझे और आभा, अनु, डॉक्टर रामा, मंडल मैम, Nandini, Sharmila ji, oh, ab aa gaye sab log actually, so please understand this. Savint ma'am is also there. Chandok ji is also there. So I have a lot of these windows. Please do not take me wrong और मेरे लिए ये मेरा जो ओपनिंग एक्ट है वो गड़बड़ ना हो जाए. मालूम चला मैंने कुछ लोगों को बोला और कुछ लोगों को नहीं बोल पाया. तो प्लीज ये ध्यान रखिएगा कि मेरे पास जो विंडो है उसमें सिर्फ 25 फेसेस दिखते हैं एक बार में. So please understand अगर मैं आपका नाम भूल रहा हूँ. So do not take it otherwise. Okay, बोलिए. हाँ. I think who did I call out? Shabana ji. Shabana ji, please.
Yes. Gaurav ji, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely, it's a very good initiative. I must congratulate you, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
People can collaborate for their projects at one platform. It's definitely going to be a very big success. And I must congratulate efforts. And as usual, you have always been on top, always been on the top, and now definitely you're going to be a achiever now. And all of us are going to achieve.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Shabana ji. Mandal ma'am, आप भी कुछ बोल दीजिए.
मैं कुछ बोलूं गौरव जी?
आप भी आइए सर. आपका तो वेट ही कर रहे थे हम. मैंने बोला आपने मेरा ध्यान ही नहीं दिया.
नहीं सर वो एक पैरेलल कुछ और चल रहा है.
अच्छा.
प्रिंसिपल की तो ये हालत होती है ना.
Yes, okay.
Actually, I must congratulate you. Plus, at the same time, the help which it will give to a principal. Principal is not an expert of every field. Let us be honest.
कितनी अच्छी बात बोली आपने. आपने मेरा काम आधा कर दिया. आपने मेरा काम आधा कर दिया. देखिए इस स्टेटमेंट के बाद.
No, I can tell it in front of anybody, and I am telling in front of all the people available here that principal is not expert of every field, and I tell it to the teachers as well.
Correct, sir. Correct. Absolutely right.
Because by being a principal, I cannot become a physics, chemistry, biology, and psychology, and sociology, and English, and nothing. It is not the same way. But at the same time, school now needs lot of technology and technical know-how, and especially with the kind of situation coming in now, pandemic is happening, we need a lot of technical support. Plus,
absolutely,
the part happens, we are not able to take a decision many a time because we do not have a trusted person many a time available.
True, sir.
But there are 6 vendors. 5 will tell the wrong thing to the other fellow, sir, he is trying to cheat, I will give you this concession, that concession. So you are always confused.
Correct, sir.
Correct. So if we have somebody whom we can trust and who can really provide the authentic information about a product or a service, I think that will help a lot. So I must congratulate, and it will.
Thank you, Rakesh ji. Rajesh ji, बहुत धन्यवाद आपका. Dr. Rama.
Good evening, Gaurav. Rama this side. So first of all, congratulations, big congratulations to you for such a big venture. And I will just add 3 more words, and actually almost everything is being said and done. So with moral innovation and technology, there are certain things you are adding to it. It's like passion, love, and better grooming. So I'm sure this will be, will be benefited, and it will be better and better in future for all of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Rama.
We have to just, bang on you that it's there.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Mrs. Sawant, I can see you. Neeraj ji, uske baad, I am able, then I think Miss Lewis is there as well with us, I think.
Yeah.
I'll come to you, ma'am. I'll come to you. Yes. Yeah.
Well, good evening, Gaurav, and heartiest congratulations on the launch of School By to you as well as Frank. It's definitely, as Mrs. Sita Murthy said, a one-stop shop.
Correct.
And 3 things that I believe School By is going to offer us is it's verified, it's authentic,
correct,
and it's categorized. We don't have to search the net and approach people and find out who's the best vendor and what are the rates. So these three factors which you have verified and then launched this website, it's going to be extremely handy for all the school leaders. And yes, we can convince our management because we are principals. So management need to be convinced about these three factors. So Schoolby is going to be a great help for all the school leaders present here. Best of luck and God bless you all.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Anu.
Congratulations, Gaurav.
Thank you.
And your team. Congratulations, Frank.
Thank you.
You all can be very happy because I was the laziest one to even think about technology. This pandemic has come to just teach that Anu, rise and shine and agree what intelligent people are talking. So online environment, technology is making absolute sense to me. Cognitive tutors I'm going to get, validity I'm going to get, then references and reviews is going to make the task easy. I'm not intelligent. I know nothing about technology, but I have intelligent people on board who can help me out. You segregated, validity is there. And then everything, everyone has said it. There's ethics, there's moral, there's innovation, there's collaboration, there's technology, passion, सब कुछ है. So अगर मुझे समझ आ गया ना अभी, so I think पूरी दुनिया को समझ आ जाएगा. I was one person who was so rigid. कि क्या है, what? Human touch होता है. No, seriously, man.
No, she is right. Absolutely. Anu is always forthright.
I was like, I was always just thinking, what this tech, this intelligent jerks, but with pandemic, I became a jerk because I did not know anything, and I was जिनका तो मैं मजाक उड़ा रही थी, उन्हीं के पीछे भाग रही थी. Please help me, please help me. So I think to some extent, Gaurav, you won. Your case is absolutely
Thank you very much.
Superb one. So I think you're going to do great. If you've convinced me, the person who was so confused, you've convinced the world. So I think success to hai hi hai.
No, the only thing I would like to say is that you have created Amazon or Myntra for all of us.
Oh,
you search for a product and you get a list of the product.
Correct.
And then you have a right to choose actually. Otherwise, you really have to hunt for various places. You keep asking. At least under one roof, you get variety of vendors and you can take a call whom to go for it and whatever the price variation. So that is best thing. Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Seema ma'am, what you are saying is perfectly okay. We are heading towards the Atmanirbhar India, where the Indianized tools. And this Schoolby is really going to be helpful to all of us.
That's
Millie ji, you want to say something? Millie ji, unmute kariye.
I'm just about to say that thanks so much for your insight and looking into what the tomorrow holds. This is what the young generation we are looking forward to, and you are one of them. So, so anyway, I know if it is coming from you, it is genuine and it is honest. So we can explore it and yes, make the best of the facility you are trying to offer to us. So,
thank you, Vinny ma'am. Thank you, Vinny ma'am.
I was not there the whole of it, but what I could judge, it is actually, I think, wonderful, and I'm sure we'll all grow with it and maybe add up more inputs in the future.
Thank you very much, Vinny ji. Thank you for coming over. Thank you. Neeraj sir, aapse wind up karenge isko.
Gaurav ji, I mean, thank you. I'll say big congratulations to you. And the point which I'll tell you, you have enriched our mind. I mean, when we talk about IPN, we exchange our good practices as a principal. So we were highly enriched. Now, this thing which you had come up is really very good and great because so many things we need as a principal. So we need not to go anywhere. We can check it and we can go ahead with the products. So it's excellent work done by you. I salute your creativity and other things. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Miss Lewis, I taken your name, so sorry, I should not say that was the last question. Miss Lewis, please. Yeah.
I'm Myrtle. Yeah. Thank you, Gaurav. But the thing is, I should really appreciate your work. It is really commendable. But today I missed the session. I joined 5:30. I don't know what people are congratulating you today, but I have to congratulate you for all the work what you have done and the interest you take. each and every one of us, all the members of this group. Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you once again.
Thank you for
But I hope I'll come to know about it later.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Yeah, Gaurav ji, I had to say something.
आइए
Mr.
बोलिए
Chandok.
बोलिए प्लीज सर प्लीज बोलिए हाँ please
Yeah,
बोलिए।
this is SS Chandok from Kanpur.
ओह
Yeah.
नमस्कार कैसे हैं चंदोक जी
Now, good, sir. Nice to see you again.
Likewise, thank you very much. बोलिए
So I
please।
was just remembering right now when the things were going on that I think around in 2016 you came in Kanpur and we met and the
yes.
platform which you have developed all over India.
जी सर
That
जी जी
hats off to you.
Thank
Hats
you.
off to you. The level you have brought up to the principals level. You are making an association of around 1,000 to 1,500 principals together and making such a big platform. And that's off to you because nobody had been able to do it till now. What you are doing. And of course, you're a gem of a person. And moreover, when ma'am was saying I have joined the meeting late, I'm not knowing what was going on. But it is for sure, whatever you are bringing, that might be the best in the industry. And that might be generally being checked by you. So we need not check. You know, when you have faith on someone, blind faith on someone. So there the thing is that whatever might have Mr. Gaurav have selected would have been the best in the industry. There he would have, done all the experiments on that. We recommend that. So we all are very thankful to you that you have brought us all together on a very big platform, and we'll always be, credited towards you that you have done so good things for us, and you have brought up a revolution in the, education field also when we talk about, because we had never thought that we can come up to these type of platforms, so big platforms where more than 1,000 principals can connect together and they can join together. We have increased our socialization. We have increased our world because of you. Thanks a lot, and we are always there for you. Kanpur and
धन्यवाद
Lucknow
सर
and every.
धन्यवाद चंदोक जी जस्ट अ करेक्शन बाय द वे थोड़ा सा आपको भी सरप्राइज कर देता हूँ अब IPN is more than 5,000 people network so anyway
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Thank you very much.
You can do anything. You can do anything. You can take us to Mars also. I know very well. You can take us to another planet also. You have that caliber in you. That's not a big surprise for us.
Thank you मिली जी बोल रही थी बेचारी मैंने उनका नाम बहुत बार लिया उनको
Hi, Gaurav ji. Hello.
जी मैम
Can you hear me?
जी मैम मैं बिल्कुल सुन
Can
सकता
you
हूँ
hear me, sir?
जी मैम बिल्कुल बोलिए
Hi, sir. Yes. First of all, heartiest congratulations to you and
you,
to
ma'am.
Mr. Anthony for bringing up such wonderful product. In fact, now you have solved most of our problems. We just don't have to think very much about the vendors. We'll directly connect with you. And I'm thankful to have been attending so many seminars. But I found IPN always hosts such seminars, workshops, which is really meaningful, worth, and very logical and practical. That's what I felt. And I'm sure the product that you have bought will definitely help us and reduce our burden with the vendors. So
धन्यवाद
it will be easy for
मिली
us
जी
to connect
तो
the
so
vendors.
kind of you आज मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे मतलब कुछ इसके बाद मैं कुछ खा नहीं पाऊंगा dinner would be done and I may
I swear.
I may not be
It's
able
not
to
that I'm just it's not that I'm just telling because I have to tell, because I've been observing so many workshops, seminars, but I found that yes, this is a very practical approach here we find, and where our problems are very easily sorted out. Thank you so much, Gaurav. All the best. And we look forward for the wonderful products that you have presented to us. Thank you.
Okay, as I come to my second window, I see familiar faces. Mrs. I think Chopra is there. Good to see you, Mrs. Chopra from Varanasi, Aryan School, Varanasi. She's there. Mrs. Poonam Raizada is there. So these are my familiar faces. These are very, very people I know from my very young time. In fact, when I was, if I may say, I'm still nothing, but then I was always starting something. Basically, I see Anupama is there, Amisha is there, Parul is there, Deepak is there. So these are the people on the video, which is why I'm saying, otherwise I would have not said these things as well. Vinita ma'am, but I would love to hear from you. Mrs. Chopra, in fact. Yeah. Vanit. If you can unmute yourself. Yeah.
So can you hear me?
Yeah, how are you firstly? Good to see you.
Yeah, I've been attending quite a few seminars of yours, and I really appreciate, that you've brought all of us in one platform. And I think this venture, like what you spoke initially, your voice was cracking, so I couldn't get you exactly. But what I've gathered is that I think it's a very good initiative that you've done, and you made work very easy for us. Not very many people think of this, you know.
Correct.
And at a point of time, and all the government, everybody is against private schools, and here you are, you know, giving us that incentive and the motivation that no, we still have to work whatever come may. So it's a very good platform, and I really heartfelt gratitude to you. And what I gather is, can I just have a little bit of clarification on that? So this is your, we are going to be connected to one page. Like I think initially you said it's supposed to be like an Amazon or a Google search, right?
Correct.
And whatever kind of vendors we select, we'll be able to get them through this page.
Exactly, ma'am. So basically it is like what you need to filter it down at the end of the day. So there's no redundancies there, no unwanted information for you largely, I would say. Yeah.
So we can we also have the platforms of the various competitions that are, you know, largely spread all over here or maybe abroad, where, you know, sometimes
in fact,
many schools don't come to know. And
in fact, sorry,
you know, I get schools, you know, how did you get into this competition? We need to know, and some people don't get that information. So can that information also be included in this, on this page?
Why not? Why not? It's a good idea. In fact, why not? We will. That will only make the platform more valuable for all of us, largely, if I may say. The more data pieces, ma'am, the more intelligence, if I may say. Data is fair enough. Data is there, but then how much of a data leads to intelligence from that data? That's a real thing these days. So we've actually made it.
More than that, you know, more than the, actually, can I use this platform to say that we got our topper with a 99.4% in class 12 course this year. And we've been giving very consistent toppers throughout the years. Anyway, but what I feel is our children need to have a, maybe through this platform, an inter-school competition in a very friendly manner. You can have a, you know, because our children need to be smart more than just being intelligent. Right. So this platform, we need those kind of children who need to be street smart and have, if they come across all these schools of your, of this IPN, and arrange a kind of maybe MUN or maybe a debate or maybe quiz through online. Quiz you're already doing, but other speaking skills maybe. So this platform will really be, you know, one of the best. I mean,
so basically,
being a member of IPN will be a prestigious issue for us. I mean, we'll be like a, you know, a prestigious club, and to be a member would be like a status symbol for all of us.
No, without a doubt. As I said, I have met, for the benefit of all of you, Mrs. Chopra runs a wonderful school and a very innovative school in Varanasi. I met her, in fact, 6 to 7 years ago. And I usually feel she's a very, very contemporary thinker. And having said this, we will take that as an input, number one, and see how we can possibly, not on this platform, Mrs. Chopra, largely because it's a B2B platform, but for a student, we can certainly do a B2C offering somewhere or the other. We'll try to do that as well. So I have taken that as a feedback because by the way, I'm recording all of this. So I will keep running this to myself whenever I feel I'm going not on my promised track, if I may say, right? So this will always keep my moral compass right, first of all. Yeah. So then
your thinking lab goes on, you know, you don't sit still. You keep your brain keeps working on how to any kind of benefits to these members of all of us. So that's
surely. Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you very much.
Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time. Poonamji.
Good evening, everybody. And congratulations to the young edupreneur who started his journey just 4 years ago. I remember he moved city to city, making city chapters and then moving to national. And now when I see you managing the things globally, I really feel proud of you, Gaurav.
Thank you very much,
Always, moments spent with IPN leaders always are cherishable moment. I always say that. As principal, we keep on saying, change adversity into opportunity. But it is you who actually has turned this adversity into opportunity by making, this is you who has
Thank you,
made
Poonam
this.
ji. In fact,
Yeah.
as I said, आज मुझे मैंने पहले भी बोला आपसे कि आज मैं कुछ नहीं खाने वाला हूँ उसके बाद. As I said, और मैंने जिंदगी में कभी इतना thank you नहीं बोला होगा जितना thank you आज बोल रहा हूँ मैं. For that matter. It's like I am
So your
doing.
birthday has come again, and I am not going to trouble you for small things.
No, I'm kidding.
Gaurav, I want this.
is-
Gaurav, I want this.
No, no,
But I really got lot many times. I feel like I
Just to
felt
add on.
that I was
Surely,
benefited.
surely.
Thank
No,
you,
thank you
Gaurav.
very
Thank
much,
you. And
Abha
keep
ji.
on going like this.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, thank you.
Just to add on to Ms. Poonam's comments, I would really would like to say that yes, Gaurav, you really have done our homework. Like whatever we were supposed to do, you had done everything for us. So this is
Okay.
really a wonderful thing that now we are very much elated and we'll be able to do so many things without doing anything actually.
Thank you. You should
So
start
thank you
charging
so
principals
much.
as well. Now we are
No,
giving
no, not at all.
homework for them.
I didn't mean that.
So okay, I am truly thankful to all of you. I won't really keep you waiting. And though there were a few names which were surfacing, which was mine and Frank, because largely we are the face, but there is a big team behind this, ladies and gentlemen. So it's a team effort. It is Pankaj, it is Huma, it is Akanksha, it is these MTs of mine, which is management trainees, which is Priya, Varsha, Muskan, Shreya, Anvita. These are all wonderful persons who have brought this together for us. So before even I say this to all of you, thank you firstly for joining in. Number one, your best wishes will only help us stay rooted and will motivate us enough to go for our task. And as far as IPN goes, so I will quickly give you an update with respect to that. Obviously, we are doing some international collaborations now. You will soon hear a major international collaboration we are doing in the next week, actually. This is by none less than Steve Wozniak. So Steve Wozniak was one of the co-founders of Apple Incorporation. So we are now taking IPN places. All said and done, I kept saying when I was doing IPN Voyage as well, that this is just a start. It's a long voyage ahead of us. And one thing I can say boldly is that when you put a trust on me, don't worry, I will never let you down, that's for sure. And I will keep raising my benchmark every time I put this together. So thank you very much, everybody. Thank you to my team. And I can't thank you enough because this was truly very important for us. And you really helped me in this endeavor. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Congratulations and all the very best.
हाँ बोल रही है कुछ अनुपमा बोल रही है थैंक यू
हाँ मैं एक चीज बोलना चाह रही थी आई जस्ट वांटेड टू से आपने बहुत सारे गुरुओं को गुरु दक्षिणा दी है बहुत अच्छी आपने बहुत कुछ कहा बट आपने हम सारे गुरुओं को जो गुरु दक्षिणा दी है ना वी आर रियली इंडेटेड एंड वी आर प्रिविलेज्ड यू नो
क्या बात है इसको बोलते हैं 100 सुनार की एक लोहार की इसको बोलते हैं नॉट बैड
बस मैं बहुत देर से सोच रही थी मारने की
Sunanda Grover is also here in the meeting. Sunanda can speak her mind out.
Who's there? Sorry, is there someone who wants to talk?
Sunanda Grover is there.
अच्छा प्लीज बोलिए बोलना चाहिए प्लीज बोलिए मैं आपको मतलब मेरे पास मैंने आपसे पहले ही पार्डन कर लिया अपने आप को जिसका नाम मैं नहीं बोल पाया या नहीं बोल पाया प्लीज मुझे पार्डन कर दीजिएगा पहले से ही मैं बता रहा हूँ
Congratulations.
Thank you Indu, thank you. I've been good to see you Tingu. Lovely ma'am, good to see you.
Looking forward to webinar.
Yeah.
When we were all confined to the house, the only way out was like joining you for webinar. It was like going to some annual conference.
Thank you very much. No, we have in fact we have a wonderful webinar coming on the 30th. We have actually coming up.
Unmute yourself and you also please speak something. Sunanda Grover ma'am.
I was just quickly sharing one thing, which is on the 30th of this, which is day after tomorrow, actually, on the 30th largely, not day after tomorrow, 29th. We are actually getting a wonderful TEDx speaker from again from Australia, wonderful speaker, and obviously we'll send you the invitations tomorrow, largely of it. He's one of the foremost professors and one of the best TEDx speakers, largely globally. So we'll bring that. As I said, IPN journey will continue. We have Anil Swarupji coming on the 1st of August with us. So he's also a very erudite speaker, largely. So IPN journey obviously is very integral to all of us. So 38th first, and I will share the calendar with you. Don't worry. Anyways, a lot of things coming on.
गौरव जी,
बोलिए प्लीज।
गौरव जी, you are our trust. आप चलते जाइए, हम सब आपके पीछे हैं. You are the one who actually gives energy to us. You are the one who shows the path to us. We all are with you, and congratulations and thank you very much. हम कहीं भी हो, ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, कुछ भी काम कर रहे हो, लेकिन जब भी कुछ आपका प्रोग्राम होता है, कोई वेबिनार होता है, अपने बिजी शेड्यूल से हम उसको जरूर अटेंड करते हैं, because you are the one who are actually working for us. So God bless you. My best wishes.
Thank you very much. On that note, thank you very much, all of you. Have a great evening.
And Gaurav, I would just, Gaurav.
बोलिए, कौन बोल रहा है?
Gaurav, I would just say that your leadership is leading a leaders league. So LLL. So leading a leaders league, and we are actually spoiled for choice. That is what. So this platform is incredible, progressive networking.
Thank you, Nishi. Thank you very much. आप मुझे
Hello, Gaurav.
Hello.
Hi, Gaurav.
Gaurav.
Hello, Gaurav.
बोलिए sir. Please बोलिए.
Good evening. I'm Dr. A.P. Gaur from Varanasi.
Oh, Gaur साहब, कैसे हैं आप? How are you?
I'm Dr. A.P. Gaur from Varanasi. Nice to see you. Nice to see you after a long time, Gaurav. काफी दिनों बाद मुलाकात कर रहे हैं. Congratulations. Congratulations, sir. We all are there with you.
अरे सर, आपने thank you very much. Thank you. मुझे लग रहा है इलेक्शन लड़ लेना चाहिए. मुझे इलेक्शन लड़ना चाहिए, मुझे लग रहा है. चलिए, कोई बात नहीं. Thank you very much. Take care, all. Take care. सुनंदा जी बोलिए. सुनंदा जी कुछ बोल रही हैं.
लोग जी wanted I should speak, but मैं सबको एक बात बोलूं. सबने बहुत विशेष दे दी. Congratulations बोला. गौरव का पेट बहुत भर चुका है. He is not planning to have dinner today. But मैं कहती हूँ, in this situation, when you have so much responsibilities and such tough challenges in front of you, आज ऐसा लग रहा है सब गौरव के कंधों पे बहुत सारी जिम्मेवारी दे रहे हैं, और लग रहा है सबको with the feelings of all कि हमारी जिम्मेवारी एक तो गौरव ने ले ली. So I really wish you, Gaurav, to have a strong shoulder to fulfill all the expectations.
Thank you, Grover man. Thank you very much, Dr. Sunanda. Thank you for your kind wishes, and in fact, thank you everyone. Take care. Have a great evening. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining in. Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Gaurav.
Thank you, Deepa.